As per a Chinese railway top official, Tibet's first high-speed train service between provincial capital Lhasa and Nyingchi, located less than 50 kilometers from the border of Arunachal Pradesh, will be operational by the end of June. This 435-kilometer long high-speed train corridor is the first electrified railroad linking the two cities in Tibet, or Tibet Autonomous Region as the CCP calls it. This new rail connection is a part of China's ambitious plan of expanding connectivity across Tibet, specifically along the border areas with India. China is rapidly developing infrastructure in remote areas of Nyingchi to help it reach right up to the disputed boundary with India. These areas are also hidden away from the reach of foreign diplomats and journalists. China is building the Sichuan-Tibet Railway's Yang-Ningchi section, which will be 1,011 kilometers in length and includes 26 stations when completed to reach up to the Indian boundaries. In guise of promoting ethnic solidarity and consolidating stability in border areas, Chinese President Xi Jinping in November 2020 called the Yang-Ningchi Railway project as an important measure in facilitating CCP's general plan for governing Tibet. To further Chinese assertiveness in the region, as per the latest reports, China will extend the total length of its rail system to 200,000 kilometers and its high-speed rail system to 70,000 kilometers by 2035. And also, as per the draft outline of the 14th five-year plan unveiled on Friday, China is planning to build a passageway to connect Tibet with South Asia. With this project, Beijing ensures providing a forward thrust against India by being able to mobilize their troops and create potential trouble in line similar to Doklam and Ladakh.